Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Moralis for wallet authentication in React, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a new React application using Create React App. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app Moralis wallet auth. Once the installation is complete, navigate into the project directory by running cd Moralis wallet auth. Now, install the Moralis SDK by executing npm install Moralis. Next, create a .env file in the root of your project. In the .env file, add your Moralis application ID and server URL. You can find these details in your Moralis dashboard. Import Moralis into your src/index.js file. Initialize Moralis by using moralis.start server URL, process.env.react_up_server_URL, app ID, process.env.react_up_up_id. Create a new component called walletauth.js in the src directory. In walletauth.js, set up a functional component. Define a state variable to hold the user information with const user set user equals useState null. Create an asynchronous function for logging in users using their wallets. Use await Moralis.authenticate to prompt wallet connection. Handle the returned user information by updating the state with set user. In your return statement, conditionally render button elements based on the user's authentication status. If the user is authenticated, display their wallet address. Add a button to logout using await Moralis user.logout. Ensure you import and use the walletauth component in src/app.js. Finally, start your application by executing npm start in the terminal. Your application should now be set up for wallet authentication using Moralis in React. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.